What is up, everybody? In the comments below, you tell me, who do you think's going to win this weekend? Because obviously, going out west again, we're going to the Seattle Supercross. So we're going west, so we have a different set of 250 riders. But as normal, we're starting with the 450 guys because that's where you go. Dylan Friend is out indefinitely. Apparently, he was having a 3-week rehab, so he's going to be perfectly fine, or hopefully perfectly fine for outdoors. But he's gone. Brandon Hartraft, again, always going to be out. He's just massively screwed. I don't know. Lots of surgeries, lots of pain. Sucks for him. Joining him this week, Scott Meshy, who apparently fractured his tibia in press day in Detroit. So he'll be gone for a while. Marvin Muscan with his wrist out still. Colt Nichols with a head injury, some sort of. He hasn't raced since Daytona, and he's out for Seattle. He's still gone. Bubba Holly, if you still haven't seen the video on his Instagram, I'm going to put trigger warning or whatever you want to say because it's kind of, yeah. With his severed thumb that got put back together, he's out. Alex Ray also out with a broken finger he suffered in Detroit, so he's gone. Justin Rodbell with his Achilles tendon injury, another one of those for a long time. Malcolm Stewart, another long time with his knee injury and subsequent surgery, he'll be gone. And since we're out west, we have Austin Forkner. Yeah, PC curse full effect with him. He'll be out, but apparently ready for towards the end of Pro Motocross, apparently. That's what it says, what I'm reading. Vince Friese, apparently his thing is something with an Achilles. Don't care, really. Moving on. Kyle Greason, who sustained a burst fracture in his L3 vertebrae before the season. He's out. Matt Moss with a thumb injury. He is out. And Carson Mumford, who was the fill-in rider for the PC guys, and apparently he's going to be racing this weekend after tearing his calf. So he's in. That's good. And last but not least, Filthy Phil Nicoletti is out with a wrist injury sustained in Oakland when he dislocated it. So that is your 250 and 450 injury update for Seattle. In the comments below, like I said, tell me who you think's going to win. 450, 250 guys, whatever it is, Jet Lawrence going to crush it like he has been. Do you think Tomac's going to go back to his winning ways? Whatever it is, comment down below. As you're going down there, make sure you like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really helps me out, and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.